How to fix app stores cannot connect, the page could not be loaded, try again error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the page could not be loaded, try again error on your app store. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to take is check for your Wi-Fi's connection. So you can directly head over to your settings, and let me go back here. Head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, there you'll find your Wi-Fi. Tap on your Wi-Fi and make sure that you're connected to the internet. If you are connected to the internet but you're still getting that error, check if you have a good stable connection or not. After you do that, you can then head back, and on your general, head over to general. On your general, scroll down until you find VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After you've done that, you can then head back again. And after you are back here, head over here to software update. Tap on software update and make sure that you are on your latest version of iOS. Make sure that your version is not too outdated. And after you do that, you can again head back here. And after you're on your settings, again go to your general and scroll down. There you'll find transfer reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. Then reset all of your settings, and after you reset all of your settings, you should be good to go. And yeah, that's basically how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.